Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now by cutting power at the breaker and removing the service disconnect. Safety first. Next, recover refrigerant with a certified recovery machine so you avoid emissions and legal trouble. Once recovered, note pressures and charge weight for later reference. Now unbraze access panels and remove the control cover. You need clear access. Make sure to tag and photograph all electrical connections. That saves time during reassembly. At this point, you should have the compressor accessible and tools staged. You unbraze the suction and discharge lines carefully. Use nitrogen purge to prevent oxidation and minimize debris. Once the compressor is loose, disconnect electrical terminals and remove mounting bolts, keeping hardware organized. Before installing the new unit, inspect and replace the accumulator, dryer, and any TXV or filter components. Contaminants ruin compressors. Then assemble the replacement, but do not braze until alignment is perfect. Once positioned, evacuate the system to 500 microns and run a hold test to confirm a tight system. You braze the lines with a steady nitrogen purge. This prevents soot and preserves oil. After brazing, connect electrical wires per the photos you took, apply correct torque, and replace all service valves. Now charge using manufacturer refrigerant type and weigh-in method. Use superheat or subcooling calculations for final fine-tuning. Once running, monitor compressor amps, suction and discharge pressures, and listen for abnormal noises. If the compressor trips or amps are high, shut down. Check for incorrect wiring, low charge, or restriction in liquid line as the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.